Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the printer showing ready but not printing in Windows 10 or 11. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Select the category view by small icons. Then click on Devices and Printers in the options. Select your current printer and go to see what's printing on the top. Delete the All Pending Print document. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And back to printer and right-click on it. Select the printer properties from the menu option. Go to Switch tab Ports. You should check if your printer port is USB or network connection enabled. Your printer direct connect by USB, then select USB. Otherwise, click on Add Port by TCP/IP port. Type your printer IP address. Then click Next. Click Finish. Close the window. Now check the printer status. The driver is unavailable, and see another printer with the same name. This is the ready mode, and select the default. Now print the any document. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.